Hey there, it's Beth from Rock Your Notebook, and last week I focused on quick and easy tutorials using a old gift card or whatnot to scrape paint on your in your traveler's notebooks. And this week I am focusing on another quick technique, which is the brayer. And brayers are pretty inexpensive; they're like four bucks. And it's just a really fun way to get extra texture and not a lot of paint in your notebook, and just have fun. So I layered the first color, which was turquoise deep, happens to be one of my favorite colors that I have by Liquitex. And then I'm bringing in the white, but you can see that I didn't clean off my brayer or my palette or anything. I just went right in. So then I ended up with like a paler turquoise deep, and I haven't dried any layers yet either. That's just kind of the fun of doing this technique and getting different colors and mixing the colors this way. And I also don't have a ton of paint on my page. So I did not prep these pages. There's no prep. This is the craft paper that is available in the shop. And I'm just running it through the mill here, like doing different techniques and testing this paper out for you all so you can really see what it's capable of without prepping your page with gesso. Not everybody has gesso. And if you just want to get inky, you can. So I have these little brayers. I only have two of them that make designs, and I don't even know if they're still available. I'll have to take a look around and see. But they're brayers, and they add, as you can see, I added this chevron pattern, and I used some Payne's gray for that. And at first, I wasn't really loving what I did here. Like I was like, "Oh, what did I do?" But that's kind of the process of being arty and playing with paint and just letting your creativity flow. That's what happens. And I just go with it. I don't, if I end up liking the page, great. If not, then, I move on to the next page. I turn the page. Again, it's a traveler's notebook insert. So you have several pages, but not too many that you get overwhelmed. So I'm drying this because I don't want this smearing anywhere and going anywhere. So I just hit it with the heat gun really quick there. And then I'm grabbing some of this Nouveau embellishment mousse. And it's just a really great product. So you can see I'm just kind of smushing it in there through my stencil. I've got this little square stencil, and I'm going to do that on both corners of this spread. And I just love this product. I have to play with it some more to see all of the different capabilities that it has. But I have to say, hands up to Nuvo. Like they have come out with some really, really great products, and I'm very, very impressed with them. So anything that I have left over on my palette knife here, I'm just scraping onto my page, and it's gonna dry just like that. And I love that it really just matches my page here. So then I grabbed these two things, and I'm just adding some glue, and I'm gonna stick them down on my page, and I'm gonna do some journaling, and then that's it for that spread. So you can really see that I think all in all, total time was like 15, 16 minutes. Um, and I've got creative, and I'm really working this year in 2021 is getting into my roots, getting creative, and doing the things that bring me joy. And playing with paint and doing mixed media techniques brings me joy. So that is my goal for 2021. How I don't know what your goal is, but it's a great way to use the traveler's notebook inserts that you have, especially if you have some laying around in your stash. Um, just play with some paint. You would be surprised at how much joy it ends up bringing you. So I'm adding that little relax there, and I'm going to add the journaling, and that is going to be it for this spread. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I really would appreciate it. Thank you so much. Bye.